Hey y'all, I wanted to show y'all this vacuum sealer. This is for jars, for wide mouth and for regular mouth. It is the SP05 and it comes in so many different colors. They sent me the white one. I love this. I've had it for a couple years, but they sent me one because I had misplaced mine in the move when we moved here. So they sent me one and I picked out the white one. I love it. And it's so easy to use. It comes almost already fully charged. It was already charged when I got it, but it's got a display right here. You'll push that button when you put it on your jar. Just push that button. You don't even have to push it again. It will stop when all the air's out. So it's got a charger here so you can charge it, and it's small. You can put it in your cabinet, keep it with you. It's already got the attachments on it, so you don't have to worry about losing it. It's got a lock and an unlock, so you just put it to the unlock and pull it off. This one is the wide mouth and this one is the small mouth. So it's really easy to use. So I will go ahead and show you how I use it and how I save money using it. All right, let's see what comes in the box. You've got the instruction manual. You've got some stickers that you can write the date and what you have in your jar. It also comes with a tool that you can take the lids off with, and it comes with a charger, and it also starts you out with 5 lids. You've got 5 regular mouth and 5 wide mouth lids. Here we've got this sealer, and we'll go ahead and take that sticker off, and now we'll start using our vacuum sealer. It's already charged up, so it's now good to go, and let's go ahead and I'll show you how to use it. I've got some rice here, and I've also got some of this chili powder. I about like to buy my spices like this at Sam's Club, where you have a whole lot, where it's a lot cheaper, but you want to keep it a lot fresher. So I've got my rice here. Love keeping rice vacuum sealed because it stays fresh so much longer. So what I'm going to do is make sure there's nothing on the rim to interfere with the seal. I'm going to take my lid, and when you first get it, that is the regular mouth. So all I'm going to do is put it on the top and make sure it makes contact. That's it. And push a button. That's as easy as it gets. You'll kind of hear it change the sound a little bit, but it will automatically stop when all the air is out. So we're going to go ahead and listen to it and let you know. Got to turn it around here. All right, sealed. Now I'm going to take it off. So now I'll go ahead and just lift it up. And that's it. It's sealed. All the air is out of it. So now I'm going to show you how to use the wide mouth. Just make sure there's nothing on the rim. Put your lid on. And we're going to take this off. So you're just going to put it on unlock. Twist it. Take it off. Now you can put it on your wide mouth. Push it down till you make contact. Do the same thing. Push your button. There we go. Heard it. So now I'm just going to take the lid off gently. Now it's vacuum sealed. And you want to make sure you just stop at that little lip right there. You don't want to make it, fill it all the way to the top. So that's it. You need some. Just take your little jar lifter here. Now your chili powder is going to be fresh. Use it. Put your lid back on and just seal it over again. This will help you save so much money. You don't have to throw away spices or rice or pasta or even vegetables in the refrigerator. You can take out all that oxygen. And oxygen and water is the enemy of freshness. So you want to keep water away and you want to keep oxygen away. So this is the perfect item to have on your shelf. This thing will fit in your cabinet, so you can put all your jars and put that beside of it. And when you use it, just take your jar vacuum sealer out and reseal it. And you've got really fresh products that you can keep for at least 5 times as long. Right now I've got some berries. I've washed and dried those really good. So I'm going to try something I just saw someone do. They took, instead of putting the paper towel on the bottom, they just put the paper towel on the top. So what I'm going to do is put that on the top, and I'm going to seal up the jar, making sure there's nothing on there. We're going to get that sealed. Push the button, get all that air out. Now that it's sealed, I am going to put a metal ring on there so I can turn it upside down because I don't want it sitting on the glass part. But when you do it that way, if it gets a lot of condensation on there, you can just flip it upside down, take that paper towel out, and change it. That way you don't have to take all the berries out to get that paper towel out on the bottom. I think that's genius. I saw that online and I thought, I've got to try that. And it worked. These berries have been in there a couple weeks and they are still just as fresh. I did the same thing with the raspberries, and they do not even last a week in my refrigerator if you don't do anything with them, but they are still going strong. Trying out this vacuum sealer, I thought Doug likes to take his lunch every day, and he loves a salad, especially with some crunchy celery in there. So I wanted to try and see if I could make up some salads and how long they would stay in the fridge. Well, they stay fresh at least a couple weeks in the fridge, so those come in handy if I want to make him a week's worth of salads. I can just mix it up, vacuum seal it, keep it in the fridge, and he can just grab one, and I could make him some dressing and he could take that to work, and even throw in some shredded chicken or some turkey and he could have a nice salad, and I can just make it up for the week and he can take it all week, and it saved me a lot of time and money. And just vacuum seal it the same as you would anything else. Just push your button, get all the air out, and it will last you at least a couple weeks in the fridge. And I had heard that if you store an avocado with the pit, it'll last longer. I've done that before and it still turned brown, but I did this and put it in the jar and vacuum sealed it, and it's been a week and it still looks like it did when I cut it in half. So this is going to save me so much money just in avocados, because you don't know how many times I bought these and by the time I went to use them, they were brown. But this one has held up so far for a week just by being vacuum sealed. And finally, there's going to be no wrinkly peppers in my refrigerator because I vacuum sealed these, and they're going to stay a couple weeks in the fridge, nice and crispy and ready to go when I need them for a recipe. All right, y'all, you can get yours at Amazon. You're going to love it, and let me know what color you like out of all of those. And I will have all the information linked down below in the description box. So I hope y'all have a wonderful week, and I'll see y'all in the next video.